Across the UK, thousands of AI jobs are opening up right now, and the real danger isn't AI taking your place. It's being left behind while better roles go to people who learned it first. This is already a massive jobs market in the UK, with more than 3,700 AI companies, over 60,000 people employed, and billions flowing into the economy. And those roles aren't clustered in one corner. Finance, healthcare, retail, manufacturing, and marketing teams are hiring for AI-enabled work right now. If you're aiming for the technical track, AI engineer, machine learning engineer, and data scientist are still some of the strongest long-term paths, with room to grow into higher impact and higher paid work. And AI isn't shrinking those jobs, it's making them more valuable. Because companies still need people who can ship models into production and turn messy data into decisions. Coding isn't the only way into AI. Roles like AI product manager, AI ethics and governance specialist, and prompt engineer prove there's space for strategy, judgment, and communication too. If you're just starting out, jobs like junior data analyst, AI operations assistant, and digital and automation assistant can give you a practical first step into real AI work. If you want to move faster, CV Maker bundles AI CV writing help, ATS-friendly templates, matching cover letters, and a job tracker in one place. What gets employers' attention isn't theory on its own. They want proof you can apply AI to real work, explain your thinking clearly, and bring skills that transfer across teams and problems. That matters even more if you're changing fields, because a well-structured CV can make your past experience feel relevant to AI hiring instead of unrelated. Recruiting teams aren't waiting around. 37% are already using or testing generative AI, and they're getting back about 1 full day from every work week. And it shows up in results. Companies using AI recruiting tools hire 26% faster, while AI-assisted outreach is tied to a 9% lift in higher quality. Used well, AI can actually help you get in the room. 77% of hiring managers are more likely to interview candidates who use it thoughtfully to improve their resume. But copying a generic AI draft won't land the same way. 62% reject resumes that aren't personalized, so let AI sharpen your voice, not speak for you. You don't need to start by calling yourself an AI expert. Start with skills you may already have, like analytical thinking, problem solving, and clear communication. Then back them up with small projects where you test tools, document what you learned, and show how you think. And in many entry-level roles, you're not building models from scratch. You're using AI systems responsibly, checking outputs, applying judgment, and making sure the tool actually helps people do better work. The opportunity is real. Now give yourself a better shot at it with a CV that gets through ATS filters, a cover letter tailored to the role, and one place to track every application. Try CV Maker and start turning AI ambition into interviews.